Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Trying to be Professional. In today's video, let's colorize a boring black and white image into a colorful aesthetic one. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J. Rename the layer if you want to. Then go to Filters, and then Neural Filters. Now scroll down and download the Colorize filter. It will take some time based on your network speed. Till that is getting downloaded, subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. Now that it is downloaded, go to Output and select the duplicate layer that you had created earlier. And boom, the black and white image is now colorized with just few steps. You can definitely adjust the saturation, color as per your preference. And that's it, your colorful image is ready. If this video was helpful, then like this video and make sure to subscribe and click that bell so that you don't miss any updates. Also do comment down below. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, keep creating.